Tired of Xero opening the wrong organization every time you log in? Here is how to force it to open your last one automatically. No more clicking around, no more hunting through a list of companies. You will just log in and boom, you are exactly where you left off. We will walk through 7 quick settings tweaks. First, log into Xero, then follow along. All right, let us get started. The first thing you want to do is just log into your Xero account like you normally would. Go ahead and type in your email and password and sign in.
It does not matter which organization loads up for now. We are going to fix that, so just get signed in. Now, look up in the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile icon. It is usually a little circle with your initials or a photo. Go ahead and click on that. From the menu that pops up, you want to click on Account. That is going to take you into the main settings for your whole Xero profile, not just the organization you are currently in. Once you are on the Account page, scroll down a bit. You are looking for a section called Preferences. It is usually about halfway down the page, right around where you would change your currency or time zone settings. Just keep scrolling until you see it. And here is the really important part. Inside the Preferences section, you need to locate the setting that says Log Into. It might have a little drop-down menu next to it. By default, it is probably set to show a specific organization or the first one on your list. We need to change that. Click on that drop-down menu and select the option that says the organization I was last in. Not the default one, not the first one alphabetically, but the one you were last using. That is the magic setting right there. Now, scroll down to the very bottom of the page and click the button that says Update Preferences. This will save your change and make it stick. Xero might take a second to process this, so just wait for the confirmation message to pop up. So now that we have saved the setting, let us verify it is actually working. Go ahead and click on your profile icon again and choose Log Out. You will be signed out of Xero completely. Now, sign back in with your email and password and watch what happens. Instead of dumping you into some random organization, Xero should automatically take you to the very last one you were working in. It is that smooth. No extra clicks, no navigation. If for some reason it does not work, do not panic. Just go back through the steps. Make sure you clicked Update Preferences after making the change, because that is the most common mistake. Also, double-check that you selected the organization I was last in and not something else. If you're still having trouble, try clearing your browser cache or using a private browsing window. But honestly, 99% of the time, it is just that forgotten save step. And that is the whole trick. A tiny change, but it saves you a few seconds every single time you log in. Over a week or a month, that adds up to a lot less frustration. Give it a try, and you will never go back to manually hunting for your organization again. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping!